Linde Engineering is a division of the Linde Group. It's an engineering wing of Linde Group, which is catering to the services of engineering, procurement and construction. Linde Engineering India was established in 1987 and we have around 900 plus employees. We were 100 employees when the growth started and now we are 900 employees. So this fast growth, and when we had an earlier system, that is attendance system, which was catering only for 200 employees. The earlier old system which we had some limitations, not some, many limitations in terms of performance, in terms of integration, in terms of reporting. We had to go for a new system because of this growth in the employees. The challenges which we were facing were, one thing was inconsistency of the data, that is accuracy of the time recording system, and the reporting system was one of the biggest problem, and online time attendance, so that was the major challenges which we were facing in the old system. We thought, let us eliminate it and little go beyond what could be our expectations. That study we did, and we were looking for a partner who can cater to our expectations. That's how we were discussing with Raylon, whom we have working with several years on payroll system. So they recommended the Matrix. The way we grew, we came to lots of things which we wanted to install into the new system. Like we had employees at different locations. So we wanted this system should cater to the needs of not only Linde Vadodara employees, but to all the employees who are spread across the world. We had some expectations that in future we would be integrating with the payroll. That is the reason we went for this, and yes, we are working on it, and at present we have standalone payroll system, standalone Matrix. So I think with this agreement, we will be integrating the COSEC time attendance system with our Raylon payroll system. Whenever we install any products, we do take feedback from the employees, how it is performing, and till now the feedback is satisfactory because it's user friendly. Since it is online, so employees can look into the data immediately. Like, if I am punching here, so when I go to my workplace, it's immediately seen. So that is one thing which is different than the previous one. And reporting system, so I think Matrix has a good reporting system. We can generate lots of reports out of as we require. Because of installation of Matrix, which is consistently performance, the wastage of time which in earlier system was there has been reduced a lot. Matrix COSEC time attendance system is showing consistency and accuracy in the performance. Like, it is user friendly. Number one, it's user friendly. Number two, it's very consistent in operations. Like, we haven't seen any fluctuations in the performance. The expectations with this product is fulfilled, but still, expectations will not last. The expectations goes on increasing because we have some set of rules and regulations at Linde India, which I think Matrix, because of the tailor-made software, we are expecting more, which we have already discussed with the concerned authorities at Matrix. I would recommend Matrix product. The reason is because it's user friendly, it's accurate and consistent in performance.